Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Total Health Turnaround. Have you ever wondered how a simple drink could transform your health, boost your energy, and even spice up your love life? Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of juicing beets, ginger, lemon, and celery, a powerful combination that can revolutionize your daily routine. Stick around to learn why you should start juicing these ingredients today and how this daily habit can enhance your vitality in ways you never imagined. Let's dive right in. Juicing has become a popular way to consume fruits and vegetables, allowing us to easily intake the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants our bodies crave. The unique blend of beets, ginger, lemon, and celery offers a powerhouse of nutrients that can improve our health. Let's explore each ingredient and discover the specific benefits they provide. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, folate, potassium, and manganese. Here are some of the standout benefits of beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which our bodies convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is crucial for relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. This improved circulation is beneficial for cardiovascular health and can enhance sexual performance by promoting better blood flow. The increased nitric oxide from beets can also improve oxygen delivery to muscles, enhancing endurance and performance during physical activities. Studies have shown that athletes who consume beet juice experience better stamina and reduced fatigue. Beets contain betalains, powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Those same antioxidants can also support liver health by aiding in detoxification processes. Fiber in beets helps promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. It also supports gut health by nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Ginger, known for its spicy and aromatic qualities, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Here's why ginger should be a staple in your juicing routine. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions like arthritis and chronic pain. Ginger is renowned for its ability to ease digestive discomfort. Stimulating digestive enzymes can help alleviate nausea, reduce bloating, and improve overall digestive health. Ginger's antioxidants help strengthen the immune system, protecting against infections and diseases. Regular consumption of ginger can help keep your immune system robust. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it can increase body temperature and help boost metabolism. This can aid in weight management by promoting fat burning and reducing appetite. Lemons are a citrus fruit known for their refreshing flavor and numerous health benefits. Let's uncover the benefits of adding lemon to your juice. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts the immune system, promotes skin health, and aids in iron absorption from plant-based foods. Lemon juice is a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins from the body and promote kidney health. It also stimulates liver function, aiding in detoxification processes. Despite their acidic taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body. They help balance pH levels, reduce acidity, and promote overall health. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons help combat skin damage caused by free radicals, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and improving skin texture. Celery might not be the first vegetable you think of for juicing, but it offers surprising health benefits. Celery contains various antioxidants including flavonoids and vitamin C, which protect cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Celery's phthalides help relax artery walls and increase blood flow, lowering blood pressure. The fiber in celery also helps reduce cholesterol levels. Celery's high water content and fiber help support healthy digestion and prevent constipation. It also contains compounds that can help protect the lining of the stomach and intestines. With its high water content and electrolytes like potassium and sodium, celery helps keep you hydrated and maintains electrolyte balance, which is crucial for your overall health. One of the standout benefits of this juice combination is its potential to enhance sexual health. The nitrates in beets boost nitric oxide production, improving blood flow to the muscles, organs, and genital area. This can lead to enhanced sexual performance and increased libido. Ginger complements this effect with its circulation-boosting properties, ensuring blood flows efficiently throughout the body. The overall boost in energy and vitality from these ingredients can also contribute to a healthier, more active sex life. A common concern among those new to beet juice is called beeturia, which is when your urine or stool turns pink or red after consuming beets. This harmless condition occurs in about 10 to 14% of the population due to the pigment in beets called betalains. While it can be alarming, beeturia is not harmful and indicates that your body is processing the pigments. If you notice this, there's no need to worry. It's just your body doing its job. Incorporating this amazing juice into your daily routine can provide a multitude of health benefits. This juice contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Combining these ingredients boosts circulation and oxygen delivery, improving energy and stamina. Each ingredient supports digestive health, ensuring your digestive system runs smoothly. The antioxidants and vitamins help fortify your immune defenses. The improved blood flow and overall vitality can enhance sexual performance and libido. So, are you ready to revolutionize your health with the power of beets, ginger, lemon, and celery? This potent juice offers many benefits, from boosting your energy and immune system to spicing up your love life. Don't wait. Start juicing today and experience the incredible transformation for yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video today. We really do appreciate your kind support. Please share this video with someone you know that needs to know more about beet, lemon, ginger, and celery juice. Also, please comment below and let us know what types of videos you'd like to see in the future. Until next time, I will see you in the next video.